Hello guys, this is Nistos Batrai aka Nish. Today I'm here again trying to present you guys my homework 2.2. Apparently supposed to be homework 3, but since we had our class on Saturday and Sunday, we're gonna have two homeworks, I guess. So again, it's homework 2.2. Let me show you my expectation real quick for this homework. So it's almost very similar. We're supposed to log into the same web address and then with the same user login. This time we're supposed to add a new customer information and we're supposed to validate it. So let me show you what that means over here real quick. Okay, so as of now, that was my practice test from earlier. So we're supposed, this is the home page for once you log in. We're supposed to click on the customers, add customers, and then once it loads, we're supposed to fill out all the information. There's a drop down option as well, and then we're supposed to fill out all the information over here. Up until here, there is drop down here as well. There's drop down here as well. So there is a bunch of drop downs several places, right? So the whole point of this exercise is to practice more and more drop down options. And once you click on save button, it's supposed to save the information, and it's gonna go up here. This is from my other last homework practice run I did, and I'm gonna show you another one. I'm just gonna run you another new one, and show you how it's done. Okay, and as we go along, I'm gonna show you what I did for my code. Actually, let me just talk to you about that right now. So my very top has the question again, like they're all the question. I put it there for myself for my reference. That's the link to go to that website I was talking about. And I have my global declaration I put on the very top for my web driver and the web driver weight, and also for the by class method. That way I can access them from anywhere and also be able to use that for the web driver weight. Okay, and then the second the first one I started with the add before annotation, which has the homework init methods, which basically has the setting up the Chrome driver and the launching the browser the codes, okay, with the implicit wait for 10 seconds. The second method has the add test annotation, and which is NK1, has all the information for the login in using the username, password. As you can see right here for the username, I try to use the web element, okay, and for the password I try to use the by class method. So it was declared globally up here, so I was able to just call him from the method using the driver.find element. For the sign in button, we just learned it today this afternoon about about being able to use the keyboard event function, where we can just have the code press the enter button. For the MacBook, since I'm using MacBook, I have the return button. So that's the that's one of the function I used to introduce the new function in my homework. Besides that, all the codes, all the XPath, I've used XPath a bunch of times. Almost a bunch of times I've used XPath. But as you can see, I've also introduced the XPath using the X-axis, which is basically the parent, ascendant and descendant. And this is just the combination of absolute and the relative path. This one has just straight up IDs on it, so it's pretty straightforward. As you go along, right here, this is where the drop down options is, and I'm supposed to pick the one of the options from the drop down. So that's the code for this one right here. This one is, I'm just kind of like commenting out for now, because I wasn't sure if I should include on this one, or maybe make another video. But this is basically, once you go in here when you list customers, I'm sorry, not list customers. Supposed to, when you click on add customers, it gives you the option for a new company, and we could have made our own. For the practice one, I did make a new one right here, so I was gonna do it for later too. But I'm gonna try run without it for the first one, and maybe use that code for the second run. Okay, if I remember. But this is just the information about the personal information, the contact information, all the way down from tags, password, group, and confirming password, all those things. And as you go down, this is just hitting the submit button with some kind of wait delays for 5 seconds. And my act after has the teardown method, and which has all the validating part of basically, I'm gonna go into list of customers, and then I'm gonna search my name under this bar right here, and then be able to find the one I just uploaded. Okay, so and towards the end it's gonna close the browser. Sorry about the long explanation, and I'm gonna run the code without any further ado now. Okay, JME test, let's go. Okay, there you go, there you go, there you go. Oh, the phone number already exists. Oh, dang it. I should have deleted my phone number from my last attempt. Now it's gonna give me nothing. Okay, that's not good. Alright, well, I'm gonna have to try it again. Because it did. So apparently it doesn't take the phone number. So I'm gonna have to, try another attempt, which is right here. Um, Let me delete that one, and I'm gonna rename this real quick. Homework 2 season 4 session 4 final homework. Okay, let me just put the rest as it is. All right, so this is homework. This is homework. Okay, let me run this again and see if that works. Sorry about that. All right, let's try again. It should be launching the browser. There you go, maximizing, logging in. Um, it's kind of slow. My computer's kind of running too. All right, dashboard. Okay, okay. Apple, all the information. Okay, password, IT training. It's gonna save it. Alright, okay, okay. And it's gonna go to another list of customers. And that's the homework I just created, right? That's the homework I just made. All right. So again, after deleting the older account, I was successfully able to create a new account, and it did run all the way to the end. And that was my homework. Again, guys, thanks for watching. And if you have any questions, do let me know. It was pretty straightforward, but again, I tried to play around with a bunch of combination of codes and techniques. So again, it was my pleasure making this video for you guys. I hope you guys learned something from this. I will see you guys next video. Bye bye.